This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to walk through the Edabit Python challenge, find the biggest and smallest numbers, and in this challenge they want you to create a function that accepts a list of numbers and returns the minimum and maximum numbers in that order in a list. And so this one's kind of a multi-step type of deal. They give us the beginnings and syntax of a new function to be defined, and it's going to be called min-max, and it's going to accept the argument nums, which is a list. And so I'm going to create a variable called new list, and I'm going to set it to empty brackets so that it's an available variable to use. And then to add items to this list, I'm going to use the append function, and that's going to be new underscore list dot append, and I want to add the minimum number in the list as well as the maximum number. So I'm going to do min of nums, and I'm going to see if I can combine this in the max of nums, and then I want to return the new list. Let's see if that works. If it doesn't, I can write append twice, but nope, it didn't work. So what I need to do is append each of them individually. So I appended the minimum number from the list, and I'm going to do that again, but this time I'm going to do max of the numbers list, and that should return the correct list with a minimum and maximum from the original list there.